ya hwefo ene ya tiefo nti wo ha na wa hye ne so saa enso atimi e dia man so wura mo nkranza na important nso a ye Sompa 90.7 no nso e fa dwumadi na manfo mo ho ni na no enso 8 ma bibia enso atimi ayeka omo a omo Facebook mine so Facebook no so your mind omo Facebook mine nso no betimi asearch Sompa 93.1 FM nso Facebook a wonso betimi anya ye na bibia no enso atimi akoyi enso atimi e dia ma ne Mr. Wack enso eni eye Orlando Junior enso atimi ahyehye nyoma na yede dwumadie no enso basanso na Safo enso ne Ransford emuni na nso keke ho a nyoma no enso na afi support from the entire sports team ni nanta ya chinene ya no enso atimi aye dindindin a yede dwumadie no enso de Brawa Kyoku Benjamin Jamfini medin obetimi afrem Ricardo Vaz me de afisem na ba me a meko na afi Cinco de Mario enso aba na afi amano ne 79 no ono enso atimi de aba batu anim Champions League no baso ne enra Chelsea enso atimi dinkunim nini na no Cinco beba na afi watimi de honsensem ni na no enso atimi de aba batu anim me matena sidie na echese ya fisem nko a ene de Braw stories ahodo a eno enso atimi to jo Ghanaian football nim ene mabobo ano a me de Braw na no pai enso ewo dwumaji ne su kame ho ne yemfa nsem ni na no enso entimi emfa Braw nsa ka video na obetimi ya share na afi woni aso nsa ka na aboa amanema enso atimi atoto to di Mr. T free general statistics are a bas wo Ghanaian Premier League nim after say match week 17 nano enso etimi ba na we yen yenko na yentimi hwesere man enso sikwa entusha after a year 17 one of games 153 games and etimi bas wo home wins enso 71 away wins 30 na fe drawn games 52 goals by 258 home goals 164 away goals 94 na fe first half goals 114 and after second half goals 144 yellow cards PM 513 after red card by 23 and no answer ne man enso score penalty awarded 17 penalty scored 15 after penalty missed enso 2 and no said man enso score on goals enso 8 and Ghana Premier League statistics 2024-2025 after 17 games and also Barcelona no my call and I'm there on some at the atu anim now where top home wins now say and I know enso esifa call ya teams ahoro no enso timi bom homodin ye pa baby any Gold Stars dikan was 7 wins omo enso ebo homodin ye pa ho do toso mienu no enso ye team your friend Heart of Lions ono enso timi bo no homodin ama neoma enso timi gina ye pa enso etimi edema omo a eno ene said neoma no enso sikwa me de air to anim enso ewo dwumadie no so na na watimi adi nkomo abechem United enso home wins no enso 6 sanso na Asano go home wins no 6 ubunya Basake Holy Stars onya 5 home wins FC Samates Mediama Hasselfolk Nation Service na fin so atema no munina no enso nya 4 home wins eno ne nsem free hoba me de air to anim top away wins no say na no enso sifa ko Nation Service nya 5 away wins Hasselfolk nya 4 away wins sanso na Mediama enya 3 away wins Asante Kotoko enya 3 away wins Karela United Heart of Lions sanso na Bechem United Gold Stars omunna no enya 2 away wins eno ne sereman enzo sikoye Basake Holy Stars ena afi Vish no mo enso nya away wins ne mako a eno ene sereman enzo sikoye wo Ghanaian Premier League ni ma me de ho nsem ede 2 ani me enso ewo dwumadi ne so na se compare no have 2023-2024 season and have 2024-2025 season say na no so ho nsensem no enso esitie last season samre ya boya na se team a Jefen FC Samates ne dikan na obenya adua na otoso mienu Asante Kotoko toso miensa na obenya Nations otoso 9 num no na yensu atreman ensia obenya team a Jefen ye be brekum Chelsea na enso no enso team a na ohwemu a obetimi ahu team a friend ye Mediama sanso na Legon Cities no so toso nkron edu no na ye team a je friend no Dreams na ye duba ko no benya Hasselfolk du mienu no na ye team a ye friend no mamehwem na ye team a friend na Car Lions na wanya du 9 no enso ye team friend baby any Gold Stars no wanya bofo kwa na otoso edunum sanso na Karela no etoso dunsia dunso no enso ye team na friend Real Tamale United and the Heart of Lions enso etwatoa no mo enso atimi awe wo ho na season we no teams ahoro atimi improve yi pa baby any Gold Stars last season no toso eye dunuma se dunan aba be di kan nation safety toso mienu asante kotoko toso miensa obenya Heart of Lions or toso 9 obenya team Bechem United ono enso etoso wonu mensia no Accra House of Folk nso team a Jeffrey no Mediama sanso ena benya Smart as I'm kono no so toso team a Jeffrey no Basek Holy Stars etoso 9 for baby ena afi Bechem United we no general statistics o compare no last season and this season no enso timi abai de ho sem no na de ma ya hwefo ene ye tiefo yemfiri ho na afi ye ne ahodro a no madi nkomo atitiru ene anim tini ene o madi nkomo no yembobo bi emfamo na wonso watimi ahu de wi anoma no enso esifa kon Alhaji Karim Gruza esiyem pamu obi na pamu ayempam obi ne Alhaji Karim Gruza nchechi na mom yenkona me ma unchiremu no se Alhaji Karim Gruza se yempam obi na hwan na Alhaji Karim Gruza esiyem pamu no yenti nsem opani no enso de tuja
David ko liebe na ye baye honorable wawe qualify kura ya antima qualify with Niger, Angola, Sudan, Niger, Ghana. Why do we come on? Me say and the same party politics again ye pump this GFA FIFA and to me ye Joshua Alabi when we a campaigning manager and yet Takashi we move fan ko pamo yenjaye say government you see ube Ghana football change the football association sack them.
And Tianone Samuel Alhaji Karim Gruza bankroller edema Tim Kim Faiza hote say where hon some your former ESCO member edema the Ghana Football Association was say yen pamu omo na ko Ivory Coast buy no wonabo wawe na Ghana yenya ye ndino eyada ye pamu omo beboa ama nneoma enso atimi akoko yie pa Tianone Sam kakra efiri ho ba me de etu ani me ne enso ewo dwumade na so yemfiri ho na ye din komo na ye din komo de a na ese nenamu ayewram ewo club football na afiatime din komo Kwame Chumasi Dankwa enso ayopani pa won da Nation Service boku na no opani din sema tuja nsam no na o chechemu nioma eno enso ekoso CZ wo mo target nioma mpesa o mo ye CZ we no opani na gibre enso atimi ene ye din komo.
We target the same as every other competitor here will league in. We are league in Shobeji and we are no different. That's our target for this season.
Ano ene nsamwa opani no enso atimi tuja mere ho nsama ma wona enso ewo dwumadie no so memfiri ho na mendi nkomo enso ewo aduana akache Evans upon maestro eya kasamafo de matimu a Jefena Dwena Football Club opani no enso atimi adi nkomo ene wo cheche mu say still Ghana Premier League no eya possible yenti nsamwa opani no enso adi tuja
football moi ya Sompa for the mona jamo yes sport papa ma yetibi o Ghana mama ya ti say football never say never. Masa Atiari or Sompa Mayati say football is not over until it is over. Football, so Mwankasa, Mama Makache say full of uncertainties. Mama Yati say football 1+1 and yet 2. Meaning say football a DBI possible. Sana Mamu ya good yemojumo yati free mo. Because of that, you know, here my baby we continue a fight. Yenim say maybe you league no best 9 points. You do baby no na medium affair one league that was the last 2 years or so. Senior it do a league ya etani ma obi etim bisa na hono. Yes so ye be make sure say second round ye be homework war.
Ano ene nsamwa Evans upon match 22 just say never say never. Say obi lead mo obi team match no omo nso betimi aba be farm amfo ho aba be league no enso atimi de si omo na so na me wo buru ne important wo de me wuram emfiri dom na me nanim kakra enso e wo brekum na me duru brekum na ese me ne brekum Chelsea player ye fana mankuna na edin komo na mankuna on first round team a fana brekum Chelsea boy no wajebre enso achechiem on first round no say na mankuna e to yanim
I feel the wiki the we are starting your problem kakra so after new place na ba omo be shit ni maja ye coaching for ye o ye omo man kakra kanti guso reference to professor our second round en chekura into football there ye be cbia there ye won so person obi era obi person so tunti I can't see what I see and here you guso ye no man kakra kanti ye bomba say second round no man better na me my molly green there so on is Chelsea first and second year na third year you be to above
ano ne nsɛm Steven Amakona enso de two just say more first round new year no say no man ko ye na be ba second one be boy we na say first second third fourth ba bi de na so onim say Chelsea de omo enso edi ho ntero ne nsɛm Amakona e de two just na wa ya anjuma and a lot of coaches not say coach ba ko pa won so pani no ensa no bo e ya adwuma yie e yo pani a ye fe ne Samuel Boadu nsɛm Amakona kan e de fa Samuel Boadu hu no sei e na o cheche mu
ne yo coach na yi wata say ana coach baba bia no o say a o si chire na de wata nti coach so so o ye good coach ba oni press no da no obesi aye be dia go be kasante ye duru pack no so nko ade a agro bia ni so wata say o de work hard so wata say ye pon trainer ye nyina ye ba ko so wata say coach body there that is the best coach ya me huna mesiana ama me kale ada den e ko so pa
ne nsɛm Amakona e de two dwa woni ye opani e fe no gumuni na ya dwon ati o Samuel Boadu wo adwuma papa nti ano ne nsɛm ono enso e de two dwa ye mfiri ho na ye nwuram enso e wo baabia ne ani nkomo e wo baabia ne edi nkomo wo baabia ne dia kasamafo de ma baabia ne Gold Stars opani a ye fe no Samuel Kwagiri enso ajebre eni edi nkomo ne nkomodie mu no on first rounder e baso a team e fe no baabia ne Gold Stars e da so 33 points no onyantoase e chechiye mu on first round na omo enso nyaye no
meaning with first round in retrospect, they won to day 17. I would still say, Osha your performance, it hasn't been fluke because Osha home matches about 8 home matches. You win most 7, you draw 1. It means we didn't taste defeat at our home. And no can be sure say you look very stronger at home and even at away so. It wasn't bad because the points accumulation in where it's good and make us say and why after first round to me I better throw with 33 points. You know, the Amika say we Gold Stars team now. This is our 4th season in the league, but Osha this time around now. This is the first time yet me accumulating 30 and above points in the first round. Osha Gold Stars most often I points accumulation second round and yet me accumulating points but this season with the help of management and after the team yet me accumulating 33 points. It tells you said there is hope for the future.
Ano ene Samuel Kwagiri PK enso de tuju amabobi ene ama waso enso atimi ate na moda soro yi na o cheche mu samo 4th season na mo pick a lot of points in the first round di mo plan is mo benya na se we di abatu kom na mo so mo enjoy.
Sure, I mean because it has been a plan from even our debut season. Say even say about league in league we are all competing for the ultimate. So at the end of the day, we be heard him saying real league, no. So you do your possible best. You do a lot of preparation, especially with the preseason. Meaning your Gold Stars, a team there, from management to the security personnel or team, there is a key indicator, a measure will be higher. So we have something we call KPI, key performance indicator. Monitor will be higher or team. So going back for the preseason at Cape Coast, was a good call. And it was a plan, and we are getting where we have to get. And I believe it's good for us.
Ano ne Samuel Kwagiri Samuel ere tu jase o ma plan e na kakra mo execute ntia no ene nsam kakra free ho ba mere tu ani mene enso ewa dwumadie ne so memfiri ho na mendin komo enso ewa ye hoho ne mpatam timu a Jefen Heart of Lions omo enso ebo mo moden no assistant coach a Jefen Nia J enso adi komo e da fa first one no ho last season samre na enso omo tempenten kwa ewa ase batene omo enso ebo moden a omo da bebe for Ghana league table no so enti on first rounder omo nyaye no Nia J ni ebon komo
no kan say who say team no abo na home modern year because 17 matches you lose 3 matches and I think the team no abo na home modern year and players so working hard because na very and makasa plan abo na home modern year. That the aim was to fight well whenever you want to then last season happening but yeah boy matches no fun and I'm couldn't so bad and couldn't so bad as soon as that with me and winning is satisfied banner mentality is a bit me fight a boosty and more and you fight here, but not expectations if you first one at the 4 for us to be standing.
No, and someone Daniel Ni Ajay, assistant coach at the Heart of Lions, former player. Erema Kumasi asane kotoko enso ede etuja yemfiri woni emuram e Kumasi ne ebo wuram Kumasi dia ne edi nkomo e Alex Manu ono e circles chairman Erema Kumasi asane kotoko nanu ada mihia na muza no first round the performance asane kotoko dana di no sign obeka e dia fa ho Alex Manu
we are fighting on in fact se ka memiti mu podi na se ka de me pedi anke da face. Because the club of players are going to me say we bet my boost of this kind of club. Share in team menu currently.
And in someone Alex Manu and so at 2 Jano player Bobby Amawaso and so at na last season your ball league first one we say yano. Now Sanuko to go that third with 29 points. Your ball league ni we ne ya me no kasa first round di asanu got to go 31 points it was so third na no any a course second round be next asanu got to go the third na why be ball be sevens one games are no muntimi win bi na musa Alex Manu say sa de ma ye ne first round di ebisi last season you fa ye buy no na say mo titi konam say mu bopokra na mu humanim no say never again na yintie nsem a opere de tuja
Student. Now one should be free wrong answer. One of a stupid idiot. We are students. NASA one should be free wrong answer. One of a stupid idiot. Uma wrong answer. You sit back. And then Marcus say wrong. I sit back. You make sure say baby make sure answer will be a question will be no. Have to do justice to it. The see last season no. The diagram fresh on our mind. Very fresh on our minds. Very fresh on our minds. And we'll never forget what happened last season. Yeah, trauma echo. Never. The two last season. ABCB. But Sunday Kotoko is much improved team now as compared to last season. This season, you ended first round with 31 points. I don't think last season is 31 points. They are first round. We are first round. Me said and Kaide, but they are 31 points after the first round. And meanwhile, so now here the color of players I won this season now as compared to last season. You say, I mean, with this one is an upgrade over what we had last season. Most of the players are upgrade of what we had last season. Because out here. Somebody ablo partnership about you wanna catch us so many about first season was anti kotokwa obakasi but indeed yes it's true not that more about the first season but they say born the first season second other more first season but we fit into the team very very fast Black Stars omunya campaign 1 week now maybe 4 days I didn't because omunya quality kotokwa on say fan say okoto be just about a whole first half and why they me ayi enti the boys number so me dey see last season me be see
eno ne samoa Alex Manu enso 22 just said see last season there e bi nsi bie mu asande kotoko ntino eno ne samoa opere de atuja no ma sign right full back ono enso be ginam asi akan enso atimi e de amomo Daniel Ajete Kumasi asande kotoko enso atimi sign na ono enso ba be ginam no mo so atimi ball left back no etimi ball right back nti bi obeba no atimi be ginam ama asande kotoko say right to touchman na left for touchman because ball na lo da mo ane ayimu ball de so oyere ne tamu yes ad nya de obetimi atu omo ntino ero ne nsem kakire fira asande kotoko aso yeso ba me de hon sensem e de atu anu yes by the close of baby a transfer window no asande kotoko be sa left back won so atimi aka ho na jese e ho na timi afele na be bia timi akoyi adama timi fe Kumasi asante kotoko ero ne nsem kakire ne ye bobo anu ayere bremu enso e wo dwumadi no so enso e wo tip off ne so mrana so semeko na Cinco de Mario ba na fa amono ne nsem ni nanu ono enso etimi e de bre na bibia no enso etimi eko e de emaye ne wife e friend ye bra nyako e na afi baby girls ni nanu e friend Cinco de Mario opani me mo akwa ba
opani mejuso
na bibia ye fine there
bibia ye fine na mo wife friend nana
wife friend nana
okay
wife dey say me party pan timi
oh yeah on the party pan
yeah wife timi bibia be fine
oh yeah bibia
be fine
bibia be kama we are now the man antena
oh Matias
bibia kama pa
and Steven Badu Dankwa former RTU player is over Germany was he keep up the good work bro
oh okay oh Germany
is your Germany
okay
but no nimbo pa him RTU no there na say minu ya metimi jana kwa maneko
okay
you are calling them why you say be fa na afi na me nuane be bo Blasters beti me kan okuruma.
Oh yeah.
Obani
Yeah, bon price.
say latest one on ne.
Oh BBI fine. Matches for Champions League matches. Managers na akasa. Ni na yo more.
And na champion Chelsea to me we need.
Oh yeah. Almost 3-1. It wasn't easy, but best team they do baby as sanity. We a big team also prove in terms of difficulty.
Yes.
And they did that.
Yo pana o ma chalo ba ko no ma ko fana ba so mo frɛ no twanachi no mo sai.
Oba wa baji man of the match.
Yes, so mo frɛ no say twanachi. Opani yenko awon ni.
Okay, Branso, ya come on and no pay the foreign news. My tier for live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 from Yemfan to ya. Say Yanko Poya, the man, the game is out open and they told you, UEFA Champions League. The attendant said, no Nuba Pon Semedu and Numa Monaco, Ebo Aston Villa, Samsung, Atalanta, and some about Storm team in Mamenka was about 8 p.m. Atletico Madrid, Ebo Bayern Leverkusen, and watching the Benfica, Ebo Barcelona, Yebenya Bologna, Amubo Borussia team no yebenya Club Brugge amuso bo Juventus Sanso Anas Werner Werder obetima kan Resta Belgrade omo and PSV Eindhoven ebo Liverpool ebo le na fetima ye from Slovan for no omuso ni Stuttgart game rate ma basmi na no bra 8 p.m. abona na dwe anasa games na ba so wonsen seminar no ye de no so di tudwa na no pay de matie for jumadi no so na head of game there's a team fans Liverpool omuso ni Lille error ma me fon to just Openya fansa ana slaughter ono so na manager de Liverpool team no wori nkomo pd fansa game ano so na to janu yakobusa na say no game over the weekend boy against Brentford manager ye fansa Thomas Frank on your manager and so na de Brentford team no at about two just official Liverpool team no the best team in class as is nam say Premier League no mo na lead ana for Champions League na so na Liverpool and so ego so le dintisa asem no and the Cransa Ujitum say Liverpool team no the best team I was so na yenti sema Liverpool manager and a slot attitude.
His opinion means definitely something to me because he's shown at Brentford how well he's done so many years for this club and without spending crazy amount of money, just every time he's able to perform with his teams very good in the Premier League and make it so hard for every top 5, top 6 team to play against them. So his opinion definitely means something to me, but I think it's far too early for me to say these things. We have to face a lot of teams. Champions League format this season is also difficult. Can we judge the league table in the Champions League because every team faced different teams, so you can be lucky or not with the draw you had. I don't think we were lucky though, but so very difficult to judge the league table, but always nice to get compliments from a manager that has proven to be such a good manager here in the Premier League.
Can I ask you again?
Mentenu yansema Liverpool manager na slot to your GDA pass some only the Premier League table nempo no Champions League and so lady and chance we are the best team was as namza one share down more all the big teams are I want the Premier League and for UEFA Champions League no or GDA pass and some manager na kafa no hu no this na near namza we manager this over the years in what me prove is one of the best managers so Premier League manu yansema Liverpool manager fans na slot no area kotu da won seminar no ye de no so ngade to jade ma etiefo na no pay mama info to the press conference na se no one any different defense Ibrahim Konate and so ngana questions and for the kobusa Ibrahim Konate say no see feel say Liverpool team no ebo UEFA Champions League na Real Madrid, Man City no the big teams won na Liverpool and LDA.
This is one of our target to finish in the top of the Champions League, but this will start tomorrow again because we play against Lille. Lille is a very good team and we have to be ready because they will come here to make a result against us and we will try to have 3 points tomorrow.
And in some Ibrahim Konate did to the neighbors. Ibrahim Konate is free France. Na muni Lille Ebon and Yabiano Lille place no unim biana yente Ibrahim Konate.
I don't really know a lot of the Lille players. I know the goalkeeper because he was in the national team last time around. But high quality team. They've been a quality team for a long time. You just have to think about other players who've been at Lille, who've left Lille in the meantime. Got some friends who've been at Lille, and so they have a regular supply of good players. I know what to expect tomorrow. I know that they're going to be coming to Anfield to get a good result. Absolutely. I think we need to be ready. We need to be fully focused right from the very kick-off, right through to the end of the game.
Ibrahim Konate na this answer me to anime de 172 jade amatie for ewo jumede so am fon to just Benfica ewo Star Dalu ho enana ju so mo any football club Barcelona nebo na I mean round for bet the video ndi atoso bansa o mo arrive on Portugal yam fon to just Hans Flick ko manager enso na de ma bansa team no say o league table no so ewo UEFA Champions League ma bansa and toss me no manager na me how important second position there and how important that's so mutimi eshetima yefense Benfica.
Now with this position now we are on the table number 2, so it's very important to the last 2 matches to play really well and also to get points, maybe 2 wins it will be perfect, but it's for us very important. You know, for a coach it's good because we have a lot of matches also the whole rest of the season, and also for us it's good to train something, and this is for us very important.
Yes, Entiano and Sama Bansa manager friends Hans Flick de Tuja. I don't know pay this Sansa Medi Tuja at the material for Jumedes. My phone too and him sir a big game back where Babasu and our Wonder Metropolitano gamer Atletico Madrid host city my friends by Leverkusen and your game could rock. My phone too and him sir open your friends Diego Simeone manager Adama Atletico Madrid team the Tuja sir Orion Bola team my friends Leverkusen phone ball and the manager your friends Xabi Alonso a big game and told you another duo Spain or no matter about Atletico Madrid team then big game be the say and as maybe we team Atletico Madrid that's our chance we are ready for the competition to the passer and some DBS on the boys needing nano almost some team any ade now Ojide passer and for a big game ni nano almost petisa no mo home no e betim so account na Atletico Madrid team no and so team 3 maximum points no e dey so no Ojide passer a game a very difficult game. It is somebody to you. Adimatia for you then some record an opposite number. Penya Fansa Javier Alonso Orlando. Alonso she am found to the it's always difficult. Over against Tima. I am managed by Penya Fansa Diego Simeone. Now Ojide Pasa Diego Simeone no. I also what not said to my first Atletico Madrid Chayepa. Now Ojitum Pasa and found a game no a difficult Nina no way a game sir. Say boy as manager etimi so na boye panam say o manager na boy against Diego Simeone adeba ko nim say one boy ama etimi so na sua de adeba ko say nim say two wetimi evaluate with team na with the strength and for the weakness of the team na be going forward no bibian so wetimi kwento Ojide pass ebetimi so na boy na mpo no wetimi so assess ni team ni ye pa ni yesema opanya fansa Xabi Alonso enso de tuja no pa this answer no e de tuja dem atie for Jumade so ye busana sana wabepie mo Madrid de ya tesa okra no Madrid for no say o na renim say in future oba manage team na de na okadia for na osere kakra ana say Madrid affection de da so ho na Ojide pass Madrid team ye team de akoma so ye pa na ose bond no strong ye pa na mo at the moment ne focus e o game o na Atletico Madrid de bonus ani ensema openya friend sample no e ye Xabi Alonso de tu anima ana pedi sansam no enso de tu dade matiefo e wo dwumede ne so no a ana me catch us abrantia ye fansam Abdul Kode Kosana no enso ye player enso na de Malaysia team no enso anya competing move to Man City a eno me ka on sem pedition na boy no mami fon to the fiti samre e kwasi 2029 ana osia kanama City boboko no wasi na nia die pasa ana no anya kwenda besia kai enso de Man City boboko ni fat where the best Uzbekistan player one kwakwasi Academy City na ose ogidie pass we no aye big Edman Uzbekistan mano if you say ono be first player no enwo behia so betima to mani na nim nampo no watim so giving all Academy City boboko na nani agisa one of the best manager in opinion first Pep Guardiola kwakwaya adwuma na ogidie pass opinion first Pep Guardiola ebetim so naboa no ama a better player Eriansma Brantia ye first Abdul Koder Kosana Vono ayes news and Dimaman City Boboko no ono so nadia tudwa and opere sans madimamo ye busa Pep Guardiola say the signing of Abrantia ye first Abdul Koder Kosana Vono ade no kandia fa koda no ana say akoda ne special talent na ogide pass obetima ye boa nu adwuma amabwa na be better defender ye de sans madi tudwa ade matefo adwuma de so ni na no enso na de be ye report so panya France Carlo Ancelotti nyame aduma season e ba na wie ya on to so anya manager former Madrid Boboko ni bio yes agreement ni bibia no enso na tima ya adwuma wa communicate di ama Madrid ni pay for no say season and dia on to so nya adwuma bio en former Madrid Boboko na ya de sansam na de tuja o panya France Roberto Martinez manager de Portugal na say team no ye kobusa na say ya tese Cristiano Ronaldo after 2026 World Cup no on to also nya manager and I say on to also captain team ye first Portugal bio na dia na okandia fa ho ano say Ronaldo this is in there awonu Ronaldo no wo ye player on to so onu abeka say on sia kan former national team ne bio no anya de some ono manager no betima ka so hon retire na abra bia Ronaldo face on to also amabo ne bio no on betim so support or Abrantia ye first Ronaldo this is na asema Roberto Martinez so manager adama Portugal na set team no wodi atuja sansemi no ye de no so na de ma etiefo no pe ye gina so na de asia ebo 9:30 a ye de more ebeba
That's evident, no way.
Who that the evidence, babe? I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes, no. We want different types. Chef, Abena Deya Mokubi, Ashford Princess, and our brother could do the so Ashford Galaxy. Would you know Iran so Ashford Evident? Media so Ashford Executive, and now Media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush, my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, motso. No to me, but do dominate. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, me Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. A Fibo Ventures now call Fabric Dasso. It's 440241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon me.